What is the overall culture in IITs?
You will find a mixture of Chatur and Rancho.
You were saying कि अभी 8:30 बजे मेरा एग्जाम है रात को,
You can choose to not go to classes.
वहाँ भी ऐसा होता है? स्टूडेंट पढ़ाई के अलावा वहाँ क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? लास्ट एपिसोड में हमने लक्ष्य से JEE प्रिपरेशन और IITs को लेकर बहुत कुछ समझा था. सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू अवर स्टैंड आउट डिस्कशन with the JEE topper and IIT Bombay student Lakshya Gupta. So welcome to the Career Talk series of Career Jano and Gateway International School with a special series बात career की. Let's come to the challenges. You find any challenges during your preparation, during JEE exam, during preparation, any kind of challenge you find over there?
Yeah, so the major challenge was that it got really boring at times.
Okay.
I had joined a school where attendance wasn't it wasn't compulsory. So
Okay.
I used to sit at home and study for JEE.
Okay.
So
Okay.
At times it got really lonely and JEE Advanced got postponed so many times. So I had
So loneliness and boredom, these two things,
Yeah.
that were the two challenges that you got across.
yeah.
Okay.
Studying was the fun part
Okay.
for me.
So next question is will be much related to you. All of we have seen Three Idiots. Three Idiots was just based on IIT. So and we remember the characters like Viru Sahasrabudhe, the principal of the institution, the dean of the institution, and one student was there, Chatur Ramalingam. तो इस तरह के स्टूडेंट्स भी एक्चुअल में होते हैं कि IITs में?
होते हैं बट एग्जैक्टली जैसे चतुर है यू वोंट फाइंड अ चतुर इन IIT बॉम्बे.
Okay.
You will find a mixture of Chatur and Rancho.
Okay.
So someone who works as hard as Chatur and prepares for all these exams, but is also very smart and has his mind open to various ideas.
So you belongs to a mixture of Chatur and Rancho, or you belongs to Chatur or Rancho?
I think I'm also a mixture.
You are also mixture.
Yeah.
And what about virus? These kind of professors are really there in IITs?
I'm yet to find a very strict professor
Okay.
in our college,
Okay.
but some professors can be really strict with their grading and all.
Okay. So next question is just related to that. What is the overall culture in IITs, like education, academic load, infrastructure, mess, hostel? What is the overall culture over there?
So, for the academics, you have a certain set of courses you have to complete.
Okay.
So, once you do that, you can take certain extra courses which are called electives. So, week में this is your schedule. You have Monday to Friday you have classes. Then you
What is
have
the duration of कितनी देर की classes होती हैं? क्या timings रहता
it
है?
varies. Some classes are 45 minutes, some are 1.5 hours.
Timings, I mean 9 to 5, or these are variable timings over there?
Some classes go well up to 8 o'clock at night.
Okay.
Yeah, and some begin at 8:30
Okay. Some begin at 8:30 in the evening.
in the morning.
In the morning. Okay. मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी जब मैंने आपको इनवाइट किया था लक्ष्य. यू वर सेइंग कि अभी 8:30 बजे मेरा एग्जाम है रात को.
हाँ उस टाइम प्लेसमेंट सीजन चल रहे हैं अभी तो
Okay.
उसके एग्जाम्स हैं.
Okay. Right.
So this was about the academics. So after that you can after classes you can participate in a lot of activities.
Okay.
So you have any sport you can imagine.
एक्टिविटीज़ की भी बात करते हैं. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की ओवरऑल कल्चर क्या है, एनवायरनमेंट क्या है, स्टूडेंट्स कैसे हैं? यू मस्ट फाइंड स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम एवरी कॉर्नर ऑफ द कंट्री. तो किस तरह का ओवरऑल और एनवायरनमेंट है वहाँ पर?
So overall environment I think is positive. So students work on different projects. They are encouraged to work on different research projects.
Okay.
And so main studies begin 1 week before the exam.
Okay. So वहाँ भी ऐसा होता है कि वन नाइट फाइट होती है?
1 night में तो नहीं हो पाता, 1 week में करना पड़ता है.
1 वीक में करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि रेगुलर स्टडीज़ करते हैं और रेगुलर हमें एग्जाम क्वालिफाई करने होते हैं?
बहुत कम लोग करते हैं रेगुलर
बहुत
स्टडीज.
कम करते हैं. तो कहाँ ऑक्यूपाइड रहते हैं ये स्टूडेंट्स?
ऑक्यूपाइड तो नहीं रहते.
ओके.
कुछ ही लोग रहते हैं.
ओके. बाकी लोग मस्ती करते हैं.
करते हैं मस्ती.
चलिए. एंड व्हाट अबाउट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इन IITs? इट इज़ वेरी गुड और नॉर्मल?
Infrastructure is really good. We have a lot of hostels, so and we have good mess facilities.
And what about food?
The food is Recent only, I think.
ओके
Yeah.
तुम्हें ठीक लगता है?
हाँ ठीक लगता है. So if you don't like the food in the mess, there are canteens all over the campus,
Okay.
which open late in up to 3 or 4 a.m.
राइट.
So
एंड व्हाट अबाउट एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़? एक स्टूडेंट पढ़ाई के अलावा वहाँ क्या क्या कर सकता है? क्या टाइम मिलता है एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में जाने के लिए? स्पोर्ट्स है या कुछ और इसके अलावा, या क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं वहाँ पर?
टाइम तो जैसे मैंने बताया बहुत होता है. You can choose to not go to classes.
ओके.
And you have option to pursue any activity. Like we have clubs for comedy, debating, dancing, swimming, every other sport.
तो मिल जाता है टाइम उन चीज़ों के लिए. एंड व्हाट अबाउट अटेंडेंस?
You can pursue these sports at like very high levels also.
ओके.
So when you go to these clubs, you will find that there are really talented people.
ओके.
Like I went to the comedy club, and there were some people who were performing in live shows with their college itself.
ओके. इज इट सो?
Yeah, so you'll find very professional people in these clubs.
So soon we can find Lakshya Gupta over a comedy show, live on the comedy show. Should we hope that?
Maybe.
Okay. And what about attendance? Some percentage of attendance is mandatory over there, it is up to you?
It varies from course to course.
Okay.
Some courses have 75% attendance, some have lesser or no attendance.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what was your current percentage of attendance?
Like I don't know.
Okay.
They don't keep track.
Right. Let's take a pause here. और भी बहुत सारी बातें हैं जो हमें लक्ष्य से जाननी है. We will continue our session in the upcoming episodes. So don't go anywhere. Stay tuned with Gateway International School and Career Janu.